When performing a filtration by gravity, you will need a beaker to collect the filtrate, a stemless funnel, and filter paper. When you are ready to perform your filtration, place the stemless funnel on your beaker. Fold your filter paper in half, and then in half once more. Continue folding to achieve a coffee filter look, and place your filter paper in the stemless funnel. Pour a small amount of distilled water through the filter paper so that it can adhere to the stemless funnel to ensure no precipitate is lost. You can then pour your solution containing your precipitate into the funnel. Continue adding your solution until all of it has been transferred and been filtrated. Gravity pulls the filtrate through the filter paper, leaving the precipitate on the filter paper. Always wash the precipitate with the given solution. To perform a vacuum filtration, you will need a Buchner funnel, filter paper, filter flask, and a piece of tubing. To set up your vacuum filtration, connect the piece of tubing to the filter flask, and then the other end of the tubing to the water aspirator. Next, place the Buchner funnel on the filter flask and push it firmly into place. Then, put the filter paper into the Buchner funnel. Turn on the tap to create a vacuum in the filter flask. Then, wet the filter paper with distilled water so it adheres to the Buchner funnel to ensure no precipitate is lost. Pour your solution containing your precipitate into the Buchner funnel. The suction created by the water aspirator pulls the liquid through the Buchner funnel, drying the precipitate. Make sure all your precipitate is transferred using a glass rod. Wash your precipitate with a given solution. Once your precipitate has been washed according to experimental procedure and is finished drying, turn off the tap and disconnect the tubing from the water aspirator. Then remove your Buchner funnel from the filter flask. You have obtained your precipitate.